Hello everyone, I am Khemchand and today I want to introduce you SwaggerLens. In modern software engineering, we have massive problem, shadow API, outdated documentation. Developer build thousands of endpoints, but manually writing, updating Swagger file is tedious. As a result, documentation falls behind. Security team lose track of what API actually exists. Cross team integration become nightmare. And but if your application could document itself based purely on the traffic itself received, that's exactly what SwaggerLens does. SwaggerLens is a API powered pipeline that achieves 100% automatic API discovery and governance by tuning raw server log into the beautiful catalog open data asset. And now we can come to the demo here. So SwaggerLens inject traffic log directly from Elastic, and we can parse here file as well. So right now, like I have one log file, so we can just let me. This is a Spring Boot application log file. So here, like maybe we have the app logs regarding the some maybe B2B store. Like maybe we can insert the product and there is some many endpoint is there. So we can upload the file. Now we can parse this file. So after parsing this file, so here we have to generate the Swagger with AI. So we can take those discovery endpoint and parse into the Google Gemini 2.0 Flash LLM, and because of AI understand the REST semantic, it does not just list the URL. It intelligent write a fully valid open AI 3.0 specification complete with method, parameter and description. You get a perfectly formatted web hosted Swagger UI generated in a second without a developer writing a single line of YML file. So now it will take some time. So in meanwhile I can show the my application log whatever I have uploaded. Like, so this is my Spring Boot application log. Here we have the log regarding the user is there, product is there, and user authentication something is there. So this is my application log file. So now like it have generated the maybe it have generated the Docker Swagger documentation. So this is my Swagger UI. It will be look like that only. So this is my YML file for Swagger documentation. So now like we can push this file to the we can push our we can register our service to open metadata as well. So here we are doing the open metadata integration. Build a raw YML file seating server is not enough for two enterprise alignment. This is where magic of open metadata come in. When one click, SwaggerLens push this newly generated API specifically direct to the open metadata platform using the REST API. Why we are doing? Because open data metadata is transfer a static document in governed data asset. By integrating with open metadata, this auto discovery API becomes the globally searchable across your organization. You can assign ownership for the engineering team, like apply the tag P1, P2, something we can apply. So benefit, who will be get the benefit from this? So developer is there who will be save your like 100 of hour spending the API documentation manually, and it is a very tedious task. And security instantly discover the shadow API where it deployed, never be documentation. Data team get the single pane glass of open metadata for all organization API and the linkage. Thank you. So here we can see like maybe here we have the generated specification. Here all the Swagger API is there. We can click here Swagger UI. So it will be like maybe your API will be documented here like. So thank you.